Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Alright, what about that 5x and 20? Can we get a 20? Can we get a 20? And yes, we can! 20, ladies and gentlemen. Hotspot with a 5x wheel multiplier. No, 500x is gonna be the max multi unless we get a double. Look at that, 500x. Yo. Do you still want me to leave? I don't think so. Decision time. Wish I could stay longer, you know. Now we're finally getting some juicy multipliers. Can we also get juicy double area? Well, let's find out. We are about to reveal multis. So 15x is the lowest multi. 50s already, 75, 100s, 200s, 250, 500x right there, double area 2. And 1000x! A lot of 500s and 400x multipliers, no way! Yo! That's good! 998 winners, and it is you betting time. Congratulations, KPN, Cora, everyone else. Let's make another spin. You can place your bets on odd even numbers, X Chaser, Storm Chaser, Leaves, and a payout for the lead 1-1. Let's
moves. They got Dennis Schroeder for the Anthony Melton and 3 second-round picks, but is that true about LeBron James and Bronny James getting traded to Golden State? Natalie, Ellie, Jerry, welcome to Lightning Storm. How are you doing on a beautiful Sunday? We have 4x on 18, 10x on 2, 15x on 7. How are you doing? Lightning Storm on number 12. Hey, do we have enough pace? Ladies and gentlemen, yes, we do. Number 7. You know what, guys? DJ, I have the Tiger in the studio, please. My man. 15x from the wheel on this one, guys. Apply. That's right. 1500x on the board, guys. The highest multi, that's hotspot itself. Decision time. Check outside, man. Don't have a lot of time. Let's go. Pick yours, guys. 180 in total. 1500, the highest multi with potential of reaching 3000 if the double feature decides to land on it. Let's reveal, guys. Lopez is 45 already. Bang! Triple digits and never look back. 225, 300, we're not done yet. 600, 750, 1500, man. Let's go. Top right, where the double feature lands, man. Lands anywhere. It's sweet. Lands there, man. A couple 90s, 150s, 210s, and a 300 right there, guys. Pristine. Let's go. Let me know in the chat what you got, guys. Let's go. 980 winners, bad luck. Polacco, and I love. You're the top 3 winners betting.
Sad or bad? Both. Okay, let's see. So, it was Lightning Storm 2400X. Oh, okay. Somebody said 12 in the chat. What is 12? 12 is battery charger. That's kind of far, though. Yeah, well, the only multi we have is number 8 on 5X there, but that's about it. All right, that is... Ooh, okay, I thought it was going to be a leaf there. But all right, number 14, that is Fireball, guys. I like Fireball. It is the game that causes the most problems, but, you know, I would say maybe, I don't know. All right, let's see, 500x top multiplier. Woo, let's go. All right, come on. Oh, go in the corner. Yes, let's go. Woo, yes, yes. Ah, 500, baby. Woo, let go. Bam, easy. Let's go. Oh, I saw that in the corner. I saw that. I saw it, baby. Woo! 775 players with a 500. All right, 78,000 for a round. Conrad Pro Killer Towers. Man, I was juicy. That was juicy. There it is. Woo! Man, let go. There it is. All right. Best way to stop my session. Hey, respectable though. Get the 500 and out of here, you know. Say yoink, 500 eggs. Mine now. All right, good luck. That was nice. Gee, that was good though. I was like, yo, I see that in the corner. All right, what do you got there? All right. That's why I like the fireball, man. You never know. All right, passing all the multipliers by though. Number 20 or number 1? What do you get in there? Monster Mac?
10 times for the flounder hat. 90x, not bad, guys. Not bad. 90x is pretty okay for the monster match here. 1,350 with us. Yeah, big plus on the top. Congratulations with us. We got a DJ, Petty, and Muscle and Nike. Congratulations. Welcome to the covers. Please place your bets. Lightning Storm game leads numbers on even number. X Chaser, Storm Chaser. Yeah, welcome newcomers. I'm glad to see you all here. Please participate, guys. How are you doing today? Hello, everyone. Multipliers 3x on the battery charger, 16, 4x on the fireball. All right. Let's create a new monster, ladies and gentlemen. This is number 17.
It's the monster match.
Yeah, this is a new monster that we got here, guys. Some 50x on the legs, a couple of golden parts, and we're happy, right? Legs. Ooh, 5x on the... 50x on the body, guys. Let's go. 255x. I told you, just the 150x part golden legs or something there, and we're good, guys. We're super good. Unexpected. Wow. 255x on the plat, 1,308 winners, bigger plus Pumpsy Muscle. Congratulations, guys. Mr. Beast. Let's go, everybody. That was great, guys. 255x on number 17. We got it here, right? 17, right? Without a multipliers, without anything. Just a straight up 255x. 5x on 11. We got it here. Best wishes to all of you guys. 5x on 11. Nope.
And me joining in. Continuing to hit the streak, I guess. All right. What do you got? We got a couple multis, 7x and 2x there. The hot spot and monster match. We're going to pass in those, though. Pass and pass. All right, what are we getting? Ladies and gentlemen, we find ourselves with number 3, Monster Mash. Okay. Monster Mash, Monster Smash, number 3.
It's the monster match.
Okay, let's check out how's our guy doing over here. Right. All right, down, up. Let's check it out. So, what are we finding here? Golden legs at a 5x, not bad. 10 on the body. Ooh, that's big. 50 on the head, ladies and gentlemen. That's a big boy. That's a big smart. That's Einstein right there, guys. It's a 250 on the head, 50 on the body. So, gee Louis, 300x. Just like that. Pretty simple, right? Gee Louis. I didn't know Einstein was kind of jacked like that. 843 winners, guys. All right, Malibu with a 7,500.
There's, yeah, so for when I'm here, yeah, exactly. Should be about time we get some fireballs and something goes wrong. Let's spin a wheel. Last seconds, guys. Hope you checked out X Chaser and Storm Chaser. Yeah, I respect my hosts. Your hosts. Who's your host? All right, big spin. Need something big, okay? Okay. Wink. Sorry, host. One host. Oh, I wonder who that is. Well, guys, we gotta have a leaf. 1 to 1 payout. We got another leaf. 557 winners. You can place bets for the next round. Yeah, the highest multiplier today was 2,200x on Monster Mash. You realize gambling is just luck, no need to blame the dealer. Oh, those are actually some very wise words. understanding that. Appreciate it, you know. All right, anyways, guys, the wheel's spinning. Here we go. The next message: you're unlucky for everyone. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I place bets in your place? All right, let's see what we have. Come on, 19. Good, we got a wheels multiplier. 4x wheels multi on a monster mash. Hey. Well, let's what was the word? Quadruple everything. Good luck. Let's see what we got have here, guys. 16 on legs. Ooh, global 4x on body. Excuse me? 864x the total multi. Well, how's that for unlucky? Bro, what? 200 on head, just casually. Yeah. You know what? Yeah. Good job. Enjoy. Good luck, guys. Here we go.
Well done to you. You were 100x, 2000x, man. Reload the page, friend. All right, try reloading the page first. All right. If that doesn't help, then contact live support. All right. All right. Here we go, ladies and gents. Storm. Lightning storm. Well, let's see if we can get it. We got a 5x multi on it. Now this should be a great time to get it. All right. We're getting pretty close, actually. And we got it, everybody. Look at that. Why get the regular lightning storm when we can get a 5x lightning storm? You know? Lightning storm. Yes. Haha. Follow me. Let's go, ladies and gents. Abba. 5x lightning storm. Whoa. Look at that. Very cool. There's a 2000x up there. Wow. Could be so big. Turbo. All right, 1, 2, 3 now, everybody. 1, 2, 3. All right, strike one, everybody. For strike one, that is a 200x. Strike two. Global multiplier. A 2x. Look at that, there's a 4000x, my friend. Whoa. And that is a beautiful 400x multi on the strike two. Now, strike three. Another global multiplier. A 3x multi. 6000x up there. Whoa. Hey, look at that, everybody. 1050x it is right there on strike three. Let's go. Wow. 1,052 winners as well. We're running right away with a 12.6 thousand euro winning at 1000x. Let's go, everybody. Hey, well, new record of the day set. You know, by 50x, 30x straight away. Yeah, much easier, faster. You know, 40x, ladies and gents. Good stuff. 956 wins until 20 Zach and Bieber with the top wins. Well done to you. Hey, let's go. And now, ladies and gentlemen,
you. A new situation for you. Right here and right now, you know. Oh, oh, oh. 7x lighting storm, 3x battery charger, ladies and gentlemen, from the wheel of multipliers. Let's see what we have in there. Hold on, could we actually get it? No way, right? Oh, we are unstoppable. 7x lightning storm. Hey, aha. Oh yeah, ladies and gentlemen. Escalating. There we go. 7x, my friend, for you. What a beautiful moment. There's a 2.8 thousand X. Whoa. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Which one is it gonna be this time for you? You know. Whoa. All right, let's go. Strike one. First strike one, we're looking at a 210x. Strike two. What is that for? What is that? My mouth ain't laughing anymore. What is that? 1050x again. This time for strike two. Let's go. Strike three, everybody. Hey, hey. And for strike three, this time 255x. 245x, never mind. 150 for strike two, let's go. Hey. 1083 wins in total. Nelson, Russ, and Zach with the top wins. Congrats, everybody. Let's go. Well, that was pretty good. You know? Not bad. Here we go, ladies and gents. That's so bad. Don't lie, you enjoyed it. I know you did. I know you did. What? Yeah. We get the 20 now as well. Hold on. Look at that. Another 15x, everybody. Back-to-back 15x, everybody. Battery charger this time. Let's go. Hey. Now that is something, all right. Now that is something. This is something. So the max multi, if we're gonna have 1500x, everybody, right there, you know. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Look at that! Look at that! Oh yeah, amazing. Turbo. All right. It's gonna be red for 450. We need red for the 45. You know what I mean? All right. It is red. It is red. 300x. It is red. We need red for the 45. We need red, you know. It is red. All right. Now we can double up the fun. Can we double up the fun? Let's double up the fun. No. All right. We're still alive. We're still in the game. Red. It is red, my friend. 75x. It is red. 150x. It is red. It is now or now. We need red for the 105. Come on. Yes. There we go, everybody. 1500x on the battery charger. Wow. Wow. Yes. There we go. 720 winners won the round. Paul, Pablo, and hey, with the top. What did we pull already? There was 180,000 euros right there. Sheesh. 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 Voice crack. Sheesh. Can't do it. Let's continue. That was alright, you know. And back to back 50 mixes, you know. Let's go. Wow, you know. Very cool, very nice.
Okay, not bad. That was Hotspot. Thank you very much. Hopefully we got more games to come in the near future. 700 winners in total. Top winner, Lucky, 300 euros. And betting time. Let's go. Newcomers, guys, welcome to the game. Lightning Storm, good luck. Also, don't forget about our special beta example. Check it out, try it out maybe if you feel like it. Come on, just a little bit more. Just a little. Let's go! Woo-hoo-hoo. Guys, we got a 4x lightning storm 19, guys. This could be huge. Woo! Let's go, guys. Lightning storm. Got a 1600x up top. Got an 800x there too. Now all you gotta do is choose the strike here. Number 1, number 2, or number 3. Okay, guys, here comes the big action. Strike number 1. Alright, 160x, strike number 1. Alrighty, guys, strike number 2. Oh, 1600x. Oh boy, we hit the top one. Strike number 3. Strike number 360x as well. Oh boy, what a strike. Guys, that was lightning storm. I'll see you at the wheel. Woo. Let's go.
I gotta have a face check and ID check, you know, right before anything. Nothing's having a hard time out there. You know what I mean, guys? 3x monster dash, 4x hotspot, 3x lightning storm. Good luck. And good luck to you, indeed. Let's roll. Man, I really want to try Black Ops 6 now. We got 3x and lightning storm. Nice. You know, bro, I'm gonna be honest with you, with all those beautiful light chasers, y'all balling right now. They still haven't fixed this. You kidding me? That's crazy. Hello. How you doing? Got 3x to slap on top first. Right. So, I've been for 3x. You know, we got 1200x up there. First, second, or third strike choice is yours. You gotta pick. What do you want? Bickety, bickety. Bickety, pop, buddy. First strike. Opa. 120 hands, brother. Oh, nice, not bad. 120x, baby. Yeah, baby. Second strike kicking in, baby. Nice one, baby. 105x, that's pretty nice, very nice. It ain't crazy massive, but still really nice. Third strike, last but not least, maybe some globals. Yeah, globals! Woo! Everybody, clap your table or something. I don't know, 2400x highest over there, but we got some 120s, 1200s, 16s, 800s, as lowest of easy money, bro. 2400x, baby, that's the spicy stuff. That tickles your pickle. Look at that, 2400, 2400x. Now that's a moment to tickle your pickle, baby. Look at that robot. Look at him. He's like, check this out, bro. Check it out. Flowers 2 wins. Well done, indeed. That's all the wins. We got 4 top 3s. I don't even know. Top 3s, that's not lucky as well. Go. Congrats to top 2s. Let's go. Nice. Anyway, move on. Happened. That's it. It happened, and that's it. Let's not talk about it anymore. Okay? Let's ignore the.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society. As a means of exchange in trade, the definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.